So yeah, I'm gonna show you another side of Merida when it's raining. It's not always sunny out here. But I promised Nina we would go out in the rain and do some puddle splashing. But right now we're gonna go to a local like grocery store. Well, it's not really a grocery store. It's like one of those places where you can get things refilled. And I forgot the bottles. Gotta go back inside. But we're just gonna keep going. Whatever. And this is why I need a GoPro, because I don't think my phone is waterproof. Yeah, so we actually need to go the opposite direction. We need to go that way. And the cool thing about where we live, there's like a Vitology down here, and there's also some these are not nightclubs, but they're like some restaurants that have like a little party atmosphere, which is pretty cool. And we have a little gym in our area. They got a bakery over there, a place where you can get some beer. You know, not like a big drinker, but you know, socially. And yeah, look at this little Volkswagen coming up on us too. That thing, it's a lot of Beetles out here. I'm gonna try and get one. It's not really expensive either. Yeah, like look at this little VW van. That thing is clean. That little Challenger behind it. Here are the places I was talking about right here. Like you can see all these like nice restaurants. We're actually gonna walk over here. And I haven't been in this place yet. I think they don't really have vegan options, but you know what I'm saying? If you're into that kind of thing, you know, you partake of the pork. Let's slow down. We're just under the tree right now, Nina. Matter of fact, let me get Nina in there. You want to say hi, Nina?
Hi.
Yeah, you ready to get some puddle splashing?
Yeah, but there's no puddle.
Yeah, it's not really that many puddles. And then the Vitology is right over here. You can see Vitology. And that's where you can get like the ginger shots. What's that? Yeah, we need more rain. We'll find some puddles. Don't worry. I promise you. Look, there's one right there. Go ahead, splash that thing. Oh, yeah, that puddle was not that good. All right, let's find another one. Let's find a good one. Yeah, like I said, you can get your little ginger shots and smoothies and like some vegan stuff. And then they got the karate. You found one? That's a better one. That's a better one. Yeah. Mess some clothes up. Mess some shoes up. All right, let's get going. Ooh, nice little bamboo forest right here. No. We're going to the store to get some stuff, and it's down like a whole nother block. But basically, yeah. So there was that little thing of restaurants and like a little plaza right there, and then there's another one. This one is a bit more live at nights on the weekends. So you see that little place up there, have all the people dancing and stuff, and then we have an OXXO. I don't know, I guess it's like a whole Mexico thing. Like that's the gas station. That's like 7-Eleven. That's like Quick Trip. That's the one. But yeah, then they have like this place has like some parties sometimes, and this whole plaza will be packed on weekends. And you also see a lot of mini coupes down here too. Yeah, it's a lot of mini coupes. But yeah, this is a rainy day in Merida. But just one more block. Another thing too I wanted to talk about just with living here is like our friends, they just got a new place. I'm gonna get that on video too. But you can find some really good places, like really good properties out here. And oh yeah, let me show you this place. Yeah, so you can find some like really good properties out here, and that's what's so beautiful about it is that they're affordable. You know, it's within cost. Like one guy I think was commenting on our video, he said that we could find a better spot for a better price, and that's probably true. But I personally don't like apartment hunting, so if it looks good, it's in budget, we grab it. This is the place right here, Alma, Grata. Oh yeah, and then across the street there's a bike shop on the left and there's a bike shop on the right. And that's where we bought our bikes at. I think we paid like $300 for both bikes. It's like really good. It's really big out here. People like to ride bikes, and then they have like a bike riding event on the weekend. I think it's on Sunday or Saturday morning. and you can go out there, rent a bike, and there's just a ton of people and kids have a good time. But let's go in here and I'll show you this place. Go ahead, Nina. Yeah. So this is basically where we come to get like loose things like seasonings and rice. They have a lot of different ingredients. Like you can get teas here, and then they have like dry things like Nina likes the chips, and they have like pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds, and just so many things that you can get. Like one of my favorite things is the acai berry. I think it's called acai berry. That put that in the smoothies. I really like that. Well, it's fine. You can get it. It's cool. But yeah, they have all these different ingredients that you can get. Um, yeah, and it's not just vegan. You know, you can get more stuff. They also have like all these soaps and things that you can use to like clean over here. So laundry detergent, dish soap, soap for your body, and you can just refill by these different things. Wonderful place. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get everything that we need. I forgot all my containers, which is not great, but show you what I get. You ready to get some stuff, Nina? What are they? They're what? Green stuff. That's good. Yeah, so I got the hemp seeds, I got the moringa, and I got the acai berry. Acai, right? Acai. Acai, okay. So, show my card declining. Sign. Oh, it's like that. So we're leaving the place now. Success. They didn't have garlic powder, which is cool, but they have like a bunch of amazing stuff. Can you pick me up? Yeah, I'm picking you up. And it also stopped raining, so that's a beautiful thing too.
But I want rain.
I know you want rain. Can you pull Dad's mask down? Yeah. So we should be able to find a few more puddles, but like I said, it's not always sunny out here, and
How about that
even
puddle?
when it's not, yeah, let's go to that puddle. We're going to that puddle, not get hit by any cars. All right, if you like the video, please comment, subscribe, like, whatever, and you have a good day. Subscribe. Right, Nina, to the right. Yeah.